guys, let's eat kiwi. Yan, time for vitamin C again. Do not forget to include vitamin C every day after eating your meals. Then eat kiwi. This is good for our skin elasticity. So, jom makan. Yan. Hinog na to, guys. So, what is your favorite? For you guys, what is your favorite? Mango, pineapple, kiwi, whatsoever. Fruits is good for our skin. So, kain tayo, guys. Buwa na tayo ng ano natin. Kakainin natin. Ayan. Basta yun lang, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye! Yes. Kain na na.